Hello friend, welcome to the Digital Board YouTube channel. This video is retelling about by Customer Corner how Intelum used Carrion to renew an at-risk customer. So let's start my video. Madison Blask on Monday, April 2023. Reading time 7 minutes. After successfully enabling the sales organization with competitive insights at Intelum, Caroline Smith, product marketing manager and competitive intelligence practitioners, extraordinary set our sights on the customer success team. When you think of competitive intelligence, you start by thinking about how to use CI to win. When more deals, but as a PMM, it's my job to be the voice of the customer from start to finish. So once the sale is the one delivering or message said Caroline. CSMS are the ones focused on actually getting adoption. So from a CI standpoint, why would I wanted them to know this intel? Senior strategic relationship manager Alexia Chaperon from Intelum. CS team was waiting to greet Catalan competitive intelligence strategy with open arms. Before carry on, we had to rely on other people offering competitive information to us, which was always easily explained. Alexia, we know it was a tool or sales the team was already using, and that we would be able to leverage it similarly because our competitor are the same with the next use case for CI at Intelum. Identified, Catalan jumped into action and enabled Alexia to achieve a massive win, pulling up a battle card mid conversation to save an at risk customer. We sat down with Catalin and Alexia to learn how they used Crayon to reduce churn at Intelum. Read on the learn how you can start leveraging competitive insights to improve retention. Great rates at your company. Step 1, introducing CI2 CS, putting carry on intel at your fingertips. With a successful CI function already in place on one side on the company. How did Catalan go about introducing carry on to our business department? The key making competitive insights as easily accessible to the CS team possible by putting it where they already live. Something I learned from my background in sales is that if it's not in front of them, they aren't going to think about it. They need it to be quick, accurate, and available. And said Catalan. Catalan. When I shifted to enabling CS, it was front of mind that their time is valuable as well. So the last thing I wanted was for them to have go into a new tool to receive this information. Being able to find carry on in our source of truth, Salesforce, makes it easy for them to access it. Alexia was quick to agree that the Carrion plus Salesforce integration made onboarding all around easier and quicker for the team. We had a team training session where we talked about how Carrion adds value to our conversation. Every day, she said, we noticed that it being it's in Salesforce would help remind us to bring competitive insights up in our conversation. Step 2, proving the value of competitive intelligence for CS. With awareness of carry on in a place guideline, set out to prove the value of competitive intelligence to the CS team in order to stock adoption of the program. So, how does she do it? By creating assets and adapting battle cards with insights her CSMs as actually want and need. My CSMs are great at coming to me and telling me what they need. They aren't afraid to say the thing which I appreciate because I am not there today, which with a customer said Catalan. On top of that, carry on sources insights from our market that allow our CRMS to surprise and delight, which is a huge differentiator for us. Alexia was able to see the value of the intel her team was receiving and how much team time it saved them throughout the day. Being able to go into carry on and not have to reinvent the wheel before every customer call allows us to think a little bit less and do more with our time, said Alexia. Of course, we all had our one flair, but carry on battle card provide us with the core messaging we communicate throughout the customer journey. Step 3, using carry on to renew the deal. With all the price pieces in place, it was time for Alexia to put a Catalan competitive intelligence program to the best by pulling up a battle card might renewal call when a customer mentioned and an Intelum competitor. One part of their business was unhappy. So the customer told me flat out that they were looking at our competitor's brand Alexia. In that moment, I opened Carry On and pulled up their battle card as the customer asked me specific questions. I was able to address all of her concern and I was even able to plant some questions for her to ask that competitor. I would have he had that before carry on. I would have had to say let me check and get back to you. She said. So being able to stay in the moment and in the flow, being very confident in what I am telling the customer just shows them that we are listening to what our industry and competitors are doing. That I know that customer and am capable of supporting them. In the moment, I know what that I was a competitive situation and carry on had allowed me to prepare for. So when it comes up, I didn't have to panic. Continued Alexia. If I am being honest, there aren't any other tools I use that give me that instant gratification. The best part is the renewed it feel great carry on allowed me to be team busily confident in the moment knowing I was prepared to have the conversation finished Alexia. So how did Alexia across the right competitive insights too quickly as it turns out Catalan had been preparing the CS team for a moment like this all along. Cat organizes all the battle cards, some that the sum so on matter the competitor I know where to look on the battle card for the information I need, said Alexia. I don't have to jump around or secure thought endless pages of information with Carrion. It's available with one or two clicks. It value consistency and a repeatable process, explained. Catalan situationable fluency is really important for us or CSMS account shift, and we move across verticals. Having consistent battle cards in carry on reduces the time it takes to find exactly what they need for each conversation they having. Unlucky unlocking the power of CI for CS. Encouraged by this win, Alexia is dedicating more time to CI and has become a champion of carry-on and at Itelum. Having such as quick and easy reaction to a customer while defending our custom product just made me want to invest more time in carry-on. She said it felt so good and powerful to have all the answer at my fingerprint in that moment. For Catalin, Alexia's success inspires her to commit even more to enabling the CS team with competitive intelligence. A big differentiator of or in our people, so anything that I can do to use CI to help push that differentiator forward. We going to do set Catalan like using carry on. We are going to continue using it to improve the customer experience and keep our renewals high. I didn't quite know the power of a CI tool and program before using carry on, but I see and realize how impactful it is for any business to win and retain competitive business. My only wish is that we had forgotten started sooner, because saving that one at risk customer single handedly paid for Carrion. Madison Blask. Madison Blask is a content marketing senior specialist at Carrion, where she creates compelling content that will convert period to jump joining. Carrion Madison worked as a senior copywriter at CXG Studio, a proudly woman-owned creative agency based in Boston, MA. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतने में मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय.